Good morning, students. This is Miss Sanover, and I thought why not discuss how you're supposed to attempt your organic part of the second year chemistry, as many of the students have trouble because of the number of reactions and the preparations they have to solve. So they're like, we keep on practicing, but we keep on forgetting. So this video is for you because you first have to know how your paper is composed. So we'll be discussing two of the past years. Let's move on towards the first one, 2019. The first question is about the definitions. The definitions are quite an easy thing because they're like one-liner questions. You will be asked to define either the homologous series or aromatic hydrocarbons or metamerism, isomerism, and these all are quite something that everybody knows. Now, next question is about the classification, and classification is another something that's quite easy to attempt if you don't have grip over the reactions. You will be asked to classify either the organic compounds or the alcohols or the phenols, so this is quite a short and easy question. Next, we have the free radical reaction, which is another of the easiest reactions, as it's just a 4-step mechanism or maybe a 3-step mechanism, and the third step is of 2 parts. So yeah, if you practice it 3 or 4 times, you will be good to go. Next, we have the orbital structure. You'll either be given to draw the orbital structure of ethine or ethene or ethane or methane, and all 4 of them are easiest, and if you don't know how to draw them, I'll be explaining you in my next video. Okay, or you can also be given 2 of the compounds to identify through their orbital structure, and they can be either ethane or ethene or ethene or ethine, and you have to write 2 of their preparative procedures. Next question we have is the reaction of benzene, and this again is something so easy in your chemistry book, like the nitration, the sulfonation, alkylation, acylation are the easiest thing you can practice in the first go, and all you need to do is know how the electrons transfer from one carbon to another, and the mechanism repeats in all of these 4 to 5 reactions. Next, we have the IUPAC naming, and this is something again so easy. All you need to do is remember a few rules and practice the past year questions, and you'll be good to go. Next, we have the preparation from Grignard reagent. This is another something that you don't have to worry about because Grignard reactions are something that's like removing one part of a compound and attaching it to the other part, and so on. You get to prepare a new compound, and they're again something very easy. Okay, the last thing is a different kind of preparations from different topics. Now, this is what you have to worry about because this is the hard part, and even after practicing many times, many of the students, even the good ones, keep on forgetting the reactions they practice. So in case you still have an issue with these reactions, you can go for all these number of reactions given on top. You don't have to just keep on bugging around this one. Okay, so now that we're done with 2019, let's move on towards 2018. The first question being definitions again. So you can either be asked to define isomerism or its types. And the next question is the definitions. The past paper of 2018 consists of definitions like saponification, cracking, polymerization, catenation. So these are something that you can learn easily. Next, we have the orbital structure. So as I told you earlier, either you'll be asked to draw it or identify it. So 2018 required you to draw the orbital structure of acetylene, and it also required 2 of its methods of preparation, and this is again something very easy, and I'll explain it how you can do it quite easily, very easily on your fingertips in my next video. Okay, next we have the reactions of benzene. Again, I told you this is a very important reaction. This comes in nearly every year, and you need to master the nitration, sulfonation, alkylation, acetylation of benzene. Okay, next we have reaction of Grignard reagent. Again, this question comes on repeat, And these are quite easy, not something you have to worry about. And then we have IPEC naming, again, similar thing. Then we have preparations. Okay, these preparations and the chemical test. These are something you have to worry about. Like, not worry about, but you have to practice them. And with a practice of few days, you can master them.